All right, Jane Box Breaks here, the 1st of March. We're breaking 5:14 p.m. Eastern. We're breaking a personal box of Topps Chrome 2010 for Garrett. This leaves me with one box left in the case. Thank you, sir. And good luck. Get 2 rookie autographs in every box. See some gold. All right, last pack. Thanks, Garrett. Good luck. You do stick a little bit, so I'm going to go rather slow so they don't get scratched or anything. It is 2010, so it's been around for a little bit. Alright. Some boxes are worse than others. Alright, we got Zach Duque on the refractor. Mike Stanton rookie. Yours is sticking. Probably the worst I've done. Alright, first up we got Tyson Ross. Tyson Ross auto. Chrome base auto. It was a very good hit in 2010. Very good pitcher then. Alright, we got a gold of Hideki Matsui out of 50. Gold of Hideki Matsui. Numbered 13 of 50. Adam Jones on the refractor. And John Ely. John Ely for the Dodgers on the Chrome base rookie auto. We got Martin Prado on the refractor. Number 2, 561 on the insert. Come on. You got a Felix Hernandez refractor. Shane Victorino refractor. You got Jason Hayward rookie as well. And last stack, see some blue. All right, you got Alfonso Soriano on the blue. That is numbered to 199, 44 of 199. I'm sorry, yours are sticking pretty bad. And Alex Rodriguez, Chrome insert number 2, $9.99. So thank you, Garrett. Got one box of that left. I'm also going to be posting some personals of the new football Leaf draft. It has huge autos like Tom Brady and stuff in it too. First one to have them. Got them direct from Leaf today before anyone else. And I got some other baseball up. Thanks, Garrett.